Hello, you have always asked yourself who are the IT professions? You can also notice it is easier to find a job in IT sector than in the other sectors. It is very easy to have a high-income profession in the IT sector with TechPro Education. Our goal is to give quality education for all individuals to go above and beyond in their workplace. We guide all individuals in gaining up-to-date technical skills, knowledge, and professionalism. We provide the right resources with the right methods. We help you change or advance in your career no matter what your career background is. Are you ready to participate in the special training programs we have prepared for you? Visit our website and view the training programs we have prepared for you. Register by choosing the training that is most suitable for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the TechPro Education channel